Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live, and once again I'm here with Beth Appleby, and we're going to talk real estate, but today we're actually going to showcase a home.
We're going to show a home, yes. 1120 Alex in Gilchrist, very fondly known as Shenanigans.
Tell me a little bit, because I asked you, you've got an open house
Thursday,
4
to 6.
And I said, why didn't you wait one more week when school starts? But you
This
said,
house is booked. This is the first day this entire summer I really can get into this house.
Can you?
Yes. If you're looking for a real estate investment, this one you should snag, because it is always booked. And I mean, those poor cleaning ladies, because it's booked back to back to back to back. And they're booked. They have bookings into next year.
The house is actually an in-house, so you're not in between people. It's got a great view down the beach. It
has a beautiful view.
Let's show them a little clip of the fly-through, but while we're talking about it.
The decks.
Yes.
There's decks. So the what would be the main deck with the hot tub, right beachfront. Just beautiful. And when you go in the house, you see those views from the kitchen, you see it from the living area.
Even the loft upstairs you can see out.
You see it. And then every bedroom has access to a deck. And so the side bedrooms and the back bedrooms, you get the sunset views. They're absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful.
I've done a show on that house before.
You did.
And the sunrise from that house on the beachfront is unbelievable.
It is unbelievable.
And imagine sitting in the hot tub
Can you
drinking
imagine
a mimosa.
All right, New Year's Eve.
Yeah.
And we have all the fireworks going.
Yep.
Can you not just sit in the hot tub and watch fireworks from the deck?
And the way the beach curves, you can sit at that house and look back towards Galveston, and you'll be able to see from your house to the pier, and then also all the way the curvature, you'll be able to see all the way down to Biscayne.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
And it's a moneymaker. So it's great.
You know, right now there's a lot of homes for sale, but when you can walk into, if you're an investment person or you have a big family and you want to get into investment, this home is already booked.
It's booked into next year.
Into next year,
and I
so
have numbers,
you're
walking into money,
right?
Because when I have people, this house, you read on the line, it's a Airbnb or it's a great rental, and then you ask for the numbers, and the numbers aren't that great. I have solid numbers that and they have.
Gave you.
The owners have given me their year-to-date numbers. Every month they send me an updated year-to-date number. So if you want to see what they've been making all year, I've got the numbers for you. It's just a phenomenal. But I would, as a person, as a mom, if I could buy that house, I don't buy my own listings though.
Yeah.
It's a little bit. Anyway, I would definitely buy that house because it's got the bedrooms, it's got the bathrooms, it's got 2 refrigerators, it's got enough place for all the kids, the grandkids. It would make one heck of a Christmas house.
That, or if you're looking
I should call Tim.
something for a company, for team meetings and stuff.
Or like we had someone next door to us, it was a young high school girls sports team of some sort. They all had their jerseys and were running every morning. That is a great house for that. It's just so many opportunities. Fabulous house.
The biggest thing, it already has rental history numbers you can see. And so if you're running your numbers with your purchase price and your write-offs and stuff, you can see exactly where you should stand at the end of the year. And I can tell you, we had a good year this year. From what I'm seeing for next year, we've got some shows coming up on why I think next year is going to be even better for Bolivar, and it has to do with I-45. And so you'll have to see when I do the show on that. So anyway, Beth.
Thursday
at what time?
4 to 6.
Okay, open house.
So open house.
This Thursday, 4 to 6. Come on down. If people want to call you and look at it on MLS.
Best thing to do is call me on my cell phone or text me, either one. 540-209-1918.
Great.
Great way to go.
Get ready. We're turning this show quick because we want to get it out so that you can come down and see this fabulous home with income built into it already. So we're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. We'll be back next week with more information on real estate from here on the Upper Texas Coast, Bolivar Peninsula. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye. Thank you to these 2026 video equipment sponsors. Crystal Beach Decor and More, located at 1959 Highway 87. Beachy Beatnik Boutique, located at 970 Surfside and Highway 87. And Latitude 29 Surf Shop, located at 1400 Highway 87. Thank you to these area businesses for being our 2026 video equipment sponsors for Bolivar Live.